Welcome to the Portia LaVon Stokes Williams Foundation Incorporated website. This is an official nonprofit organization that was formed out of pain and passion subsequent to the loss of our dearly beloved Portia LaVon Stokes Williams, who was unequivocally a most adroit, compassionate, and adept educator. We formed this organization with the intentional purpose of continuing Portia's legacy of teaching, promoting, and encouraging academic excellence to students through exposures, experiences, resources necessary to encourage, promote, and achieve academic excellence. The PLSW Foundation Incorporated is a nonprofit organization that currently welcomes the support of generous philanthropic sponsors able and willing to make donations and contributions to assist with the total makeover of the Thomas Jefferson Elementary Middle School Library into a 21st century usable space where the academic efforts, initiatives, and resources for all the Thomas Jefferson Elementary Middle School students can be provided in a safe space to encourage, empower, and celebrate the importance of academic excellence. Our plan includes providing students learning service opportunities, new books and reading clubs, tutoring, and opportunities and incentives to advance reading skills and elevate reading scores, exposing students to a wide variety of career options through exposure to and with experienced career professionals, and provide some of the very resources necessary for students to achieve academic excellence in the most enjoyable, fun-filled, and safe academic environment. The efforts and initiatives of the PLSW Foundation Incorporated is mission critical to the overall academic success of the students. However, we cannot do this endeavor alone. The PLSW Foundation seeks and hopes that you will kindly consider partnering with us and making a difference by sharing as one of our in-kind sponsors, providing contributions and or donations directly to the PLSW Foundation Incorporated. We thank you in advance for your support. Your contributions and or your donations are greatly appreciated and will be used to accomplish our missions and goals. Please kindly feel free to use our donate button that is included on our website. We welcome your support. We thank you in advance and greatly appreciate all of your support. Thank you again from the PLSW Portia LaVon Stokes Williams Foundation Incorporated. Peace and blessings.